and welcome to Welcome English.
The podcast for learning English step by step. We are so happy you are here with us.
That's right. I'm Jack.
And I'm Jill. It's great to be with you today.
Today, we have a very important, very useful topic. We are going to talk about shopping.
Yes, shopping. We all need to buy things. We buy food, we buy clothes, we buy things for our homes.
And sometimes going into a shop in a new country can feel a little scary. But don't worry.
Not at all. We will make it easy. We will learn simple words and phrases to help you.
Ready to begin?
Let's go.
Okay, first things first. There are many different types of shops.
That's right. The most common one is probably the supermarket. Let's say that slowly. Supermarket. Supermarket.
A supermarket is a very big store where you buy food and drinks. You can find fruits, vegetables, meat, milk, bread, almost everything.
And also things for your house, like toilet paper or soap. So supermarket is for food and house items.
Okay, what about a store that sells clothes, shoes, and maybe even furniture?
That would be a department store. A department store is a very, very big store with different sections called departments.
Right, so there's a department for men's clothes, a department for women's clothes, a department for toys.
Exactly. Now, there are also smaller, more specific shops. For example, if you want to buy fresh bread or a cake, where do you go, Jack?
I would go to a bakery. 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 I love the smell of a bakery.
Me too. And if you need medicine?
For medicine, you need a pharmacy. 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 Sometimes it is also called a drugstore.
That's right. Pharmacy or drugstore. They mean the same thing. So those are some basic types of shops. Okay, so let's imagine we are walking into a big supermarket. What do we do first?
First, we need something to hold our groceries. Near the entrance, you will find a shopping cart. It's the big metal cart with wheels that you push.
A shopping cart, yes. In some places, like the UK, they call it a trolley. But in America, it's a shopping cart.
And if you're only buying a few small things?
Then you can use a basket, a shopping basket. You carry it with your hands.
Okay, I have my cart. Now I need to find things. The store is organized in long rows. What are those rows called?
They're called aisles. Aisle. This is a funny word. It's spelled A-I-S-L-E, but we say aisle. The S is silent.
Aisle. Got it. And the food is on the shelves in the aisles.
That's right. But what if you can't find what you're looking for? Exactly. Supermarkets are often divided into different sections to make finding things easier. For example, fresh fruits and vegetables are in the produce section. The area with milk, cheese, and yogurt is called the dairy section, and the place you can get fresh meat is often called the butcher counter.
Then you can ask for help. You can look for a person who works in the store. We call them a store employee or a shop assistant.
And what do you say to them?
It's always polite to start with, "Excuse me." Then you can ask, "Where can I find," and say the name of the item. For example, "Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?"
Let's repeat that great phrase. Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?
The employee might answer, "It's in aisle 7," or "It's over there, next to the rice."
And you say, thank you.
Of course, always say thank you. Okay, so we found the pasta, but what if there's no price tag? We don't know how much it costs.
A very important question. You need to ask about the price. You can ask a shop assistant.
And what is the phrase we can use?
The easiest way is to hold the item or point to it and ask, how much is this?
Let's say that slowly. How much is this?
Perfect. You can also ask, how much does this cost? Both questions are great.
Now, Jill, I love finding good deals. I love it when things are cheaper. What should I look for?
Then you need to look for the magic word sale. S-A-L-E. When something is on sale, it means its price is reduced. It's cheaper.
I love a good sale. Sometimes I see signs that say 50% off. What does that mean?
That means the price is cut in half. So if the original price was $10, a 50% off sale means you only pay $5.
Wow, that's a great discount. The word is discount, right?
Yes, sale, offer, and discount all mean you can save money. You might also see buy one, get one free.
That's my favorite. You buy one box of cookies and you get a second box of cookies for free.
It's a fantastic deal, so always keep your eyes open for those special offers. Okay, our shopping cart is full of great deals. It is time to pay.
So we push our cart to the front of the store. The place where you pay is called the checkout.
Checkout. At the checkout, there is a person who takes your money. This person is called the cashier.
The cashier will scan all your items. You'll hear a beep sound for each one. Then they will tell you the total amount. They might say, your total is $34.
Now, you have choices for how to pay. The first choice is cash. Cash means physical money, the paper bills and metal coins.
Right. Or you can pay by card. This can be a credit card or a debit card.
If you want to use your card, you can simply say, "I'll pay by card, please."
Most modern cards have contactless payment. This means you just tap your card on the machine. It's very quick and easy.
Tap and pay. After you pay, the cashier will give you a receipt. A receipt is the paper that lists everything you bought and the prices.
It's always a good idea to take your receipt. You might need it if you want to return an item later.
That's a great point, Jack. Returning an item is something many people need to do. First, you need to go to the customer service desk. You can ask an employee, "Where is the customer service desk?"
We did it. We went on a full shopping trip.
We did. Let's do a very quick review of what we learned today.
Okay. First, we learned about different shops, like the supermarket for food and the pharmacy for medicine.
Then we learned how to find things. We can walk down the aisles and look on the shelves.
And if we can't find something, we can ask, "Excuse me, where can I find?"
To find out the price, we ask, "How much is this?" And we always look for sales and discounts.
Finally, we pay at the checkout with cash or by card, and we always get a receipt.
We hope this episode helps you feel more comfortable and confident when you go shopping.
Thank you so much for listening to Welcome English.
Join us next time for another easy English lesson. Until then, goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone, and happy shopping.